You asked how to buy shares of Traeger Inc. Traeger makes wood-pellet grills and outdoor cooking equipment, and it trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker COOK. This is an educational walkthrough only and not financial advice. To trade shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker COOK to locate Traeger Inc. Select the listing that matches Traeger on NASDAQ to open its asset page. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information, a live price chart, and market details. Confirm it shows Traeger Inc. listed as COOK on NASDAQ. Check the company description and recent price history to ensure this is the correct stock. To place an order, tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the trade details, and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or scheduled according to platform rules. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before allowing final confirmation. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description. And remember, this is educational information only.